Right guys, so today we're going to be doing the woodwork challenge. First we'll hit 2 posts with crossbars, and that's the winner.
Right, so it's got to be done from inside the D, so let's start. So on you go. Right, go on. Right, first attempt, so on. Nothing. Right, second attempt for Sultan. Ooh, unlucky. Right, third attempt for Sultan. Oh, close again.
This is going to take forever.
Right, I think this is fourth attempt now. Yep. There we go, there's one. Go for the left post. Oh, what?
Right, so I've got the right post now. He needs to be getting one
Right,
soon.
so Sultan's got the right post, he needs either crossbar or left post now. Oh!
Now or never.
Some things wrote down in my book. Right, Sultan. I think they might all require the tripod. Yeah. Been going for about 8 seconds. Oh, top corner.
Oh my god.
Right, Sultan. Still need left post and crossbar. Oh, side netting.
Right, crossbar.
Oh my god.
I'm ready. Go on, Sultan.
Left post.
Oh, sick. Did I hit the post or the...
Right, safety first. I've still missed.
Side netting.
Like,
Your FIFA.
Yeah. It won't ruin it, because I'll just... It'll be out a week before anyway.
Oh, my balls were in my mouth. I thought I was going over. Shows why we need to get views, eh? Yeah.
Right, Sultan, you need left post crossbar, I need right post crossbar. Go. Unlucky. Right, come on, Sultan. Hit it. There's the ball. There's the net. Oh god. I'm gonna miss my boys back in New Zealand.
Oh god. Do we take skimmers though?
take skimmers, you can't.
Alright, since it's Ramadan, I'll give you the skimmer.
So I've now taken the lead, put Sultan in a bit of trouble. Is he going to lose on his channel again? Ooh! How do you feel about that one,
I'm
Sultan?
gonna lose.
How do you feel, Sultan? Let's go. Sultan. Sultan, what are you doing? What are you doing, Sultan? What are you doing? He's only gonna miss. Oh! 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 Sultan needs the left post. I need the right post. Who's gonna win this one? This is 10.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands.
decent. It's getting really difficult to see on your phone, Swan, so really need to fix it. Yeah. Oh my god.
That is the spot. If I don't eat this, you ready?
Sipping my glass full of Henny, hands on my Siri, automatic kill for pennies.